Most organizations are not short of wellness initiatives. They are short of outcomes. People attend stress talks, productivity sessions, and even wellness days. But the day-to-day pressure returns and the system goes back to default. The real problem is fragmentation. Mind, body, emotions, and lifestyle are addressed like separate departments. QuNeu is built to solve that by giving teams a structured, experience-first way to create regulation, clarity, and resilience. Not as a concept, but as something they can feel and repeat.
Most people think mental health means the absence of illness. That's a very limited idea. Mental well-being is a process. It shifts every day with stress, relationships, purpose, and how we live. What I appreciate about QuNeu is that it doesn't label or pathologize. It helps people locate themselves on this continuum and gently moves them towards balance. That shift from judgment to awareness is where real wellness begins.
Rhythm and sound directly influence the nervous system. When used intentionally and therapeutically, specific music helps reduce physiological stress, improves focus, and create emotional coherence. In QuNeu, participants do not just listen, they experience calmness and regulation in real time.
We often believe that understanding our emotions should be enough, but emotions don't live in logic, they live in the body. What QuNeu does beautifully is create a safe space to release emotional charge without reliving old stories or digging into the past. It is gentle, practical. Most importantly, it gives people tools they can actually use in daily life. That is what makes change sustainable.
You see, the mind is constantly moving, analyzing, and trying to control the outcome. And the problem is that in this modern era, we load the mind with 50 such tabs which are from our past, present, or future, not necessarily currently relevant. Thus, the mind ends up in noise and utter chaos. So, in QuNeu, the Haldiram Mandala Art for Healing is not about being artistic. It is about creating inner order, finding our center and allowing clarity to emerge quietly and naturally in flow.
QuNeu brings together clinical clarity, nervous system regulation through music, practical emotional tools, structured creativity through mandala, and energy healing for deeper coherence. It is designed to be safe, scalable, and suitable for professional environments. If your organization wants a wellness experience that is credible, measurable in felt outcomes, and easy to integrate in daily life, QuNeu is ready to be brought to your institution.